Hey guys, so it's been a while, hasn't it? We all got sick over the holiday season. It's been a rough new year, but nobody has it now, so that's good news. My plan was not to end on Christmas Eve. I had a whole nother video to show you, but I was too sick to edit it, so I wanted to show that to you now. Hello! Merry Christmas! I hope everybody had a lovely, Merry Christmas with all their family and their friends. I did go back up to the thrift store to see if I could find those plates. Well, I'm so bummed. I came back up to get those plates and they were gone. I wanted the set that was next to that pyramid set. I didn't want the pyramid set, but I wanted the ones that were next to it. But I did find something else. Look at this. Haviland, and I love them, and they're really pretty, and I'm so excited. I got this, and I got the teacups, coffee mugs. It's going to be so pretty at Christmas. And as you can see, I lucked out. They're so pretty, and I love them so much. They're just so beautiful. And I did lay my tiny little Christmas table. We had tacos for Christmas. Very delicious. I hope you all got to eat your favorite meal at Christmas time. That's all I wanted to show you, and I'm going to leave you guys with a very Texmas Christmas. Enjoy! Merry Christmas, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Roses still in bloom in December. Texas snow. It's supposed to say Texmas, but there's one line burnt out. Starting next month, I'll try to make sure that we're right back on schedule. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.